Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we're going to be introducing you to the new edge point measurement. The edge point measurement is located on the measure ribbon right below the trim point. Now the trim point measurement is used for taking a side hit when you have two perpendicular surfaces, the top surface and the edge surface. When they're perpendicular to each other, then you can use a trim point. But what happens when those two surfaces, the top surface and the side surface, are not at 90 degrees? What if they're not perpendicular to each other? Well, that's what we have the edge point for. Now you can see in this example here, if you look in the graphics area, I've got a trim measurement already here. I'm just going to zoom up on this, and I'm going to rotate it a bit just so you can kind of see it from the side view. I'm going to put my mouse cursor over this side edge so that you can see the orange that represents the depth of the part, and you can see that the yellow measurement of the trim check is not perpendicular to that line representing the depth. It's perfectly parallel with the top edge, but not perpendicular to that side edge. So what we need to do is come up with something else, and that is the edge point. So the procedure is the same. We simply pick on the edge after selecting the command, and now we have our edge point. And you can actually see that both the top and the side hit are both yellow. But if we go and look at this sideways again, you'll notice that side hit, okay, is at a different IJK vector than the side hit of the trim measurement. And the side hit of the new edge point is perfectly perpendicular to that inside edge surface. Now, just like the trim point has a step back and a depth setting, so indeed does the edge point measurement. If we take a look at it here in the programming browser and we go to the checking tab, you can see we can set the step back and the depth just like the trim measurement. So our edge point measurement is the solution to wanting to do a trim check when the top surface and side surface are not at 90 degrees to each other. Thanks for watching.